Mike Butcher here with TechCrunch, and 3 months ago I had a chat with a guy in a London pub and said, we haven't really done many events in Italy, maybe we should do that. Do you want to do a meet-up in a bar? His name was Luca from Populis, and we've ended up with this, which is an entire day of startups here at TechCrunch Italy in Rome. So we're going to go and talk to a few people, see what's going on. And over here we've got these guys, so DNC. Who's from DNC who's going to talk to me? Hello. Hello. Tell us what DNC is.
It's the greatest digital agency in Italy, and we're very proud to be here at TechCrunch Italy. So,
And what do you guys do normally?
everything digital, details. I would say, Andrea, maybe you want to say something. We do apps, we do websites, we do any kind that it's a social strategy. We do everything about
Anything digital. That's DNC. Right, we're going to see who else is here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Along here, well, everyone's having their lunch. This is Alliance. Who's not having their lunch? Hello. Tell us what this is.
Okay, this is a group of 3 societies that got together because their founders... I'm sorry, I'm just eating.
We're all having lunch.
Exactly. Their founders are longtime friends, and therefore they decided to get together to create this alliance and show everyone what they have been dealing with.
And what is it called?
It's called Alliance, and it's made out of books, Nana Bianca and H-Farm.
And what are they?
They are companies that deal with, that are basically business angels. And so they help startups become more than a startup, more than a seed company, and grow.
And these are all the companies you've worked with so far?
Yes, exactly.
Fantastic. Right, thank you very much. Okay, moving along. We're going to see who else is here. And we've got these guys here. What are you guys doing?
Yes, we are just presenting this new platform to sell wine, Italian wine to Italian customer. We are. This is a new
Papuenti?
Papunti.
Papunti.
Yes.
And what's special about it?
The special is we are. It's sort of a meeting point between the producer and the consumer. So the consumer can buy directly from the producer without any transaction, any other.
No middlemen.
No middlemen.
And they get straight to the wine. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Okay, and the other thing that we've been doing here that organised just spontaneously is a hackathon. So here we've got the guys over here. Now, it's Max here.
Nice to meet you.
Max, tell us all about the hackathon here at
Well, there's an hackathon called Hack Italy, which is basically, the leading hackathon in Italy. There's just hacking. There will be selected 3 companies, the 3 best hacks today, and they're going to win 25,000 euro today as a seed. So let me show you something very quickly,
Go ahead.
This is actually,
Say hello, everybody.
I show you this one, which is probably...
Okay, let's get in there.
Yeah.
Let's jump in there, find out all about this hack. Okay, let's do this real quick, real fast.
Really fast. It's the stress meter, which I would love, So the guys will
Let's get
actually...
the camera around here too.
Yeah,
A stress meter.
Yes.
So what's this device here?
That is used to measure emotions, basically. It measures different physiological data.
Measure emotions.
Emotion, yes, people emotion, by measuring different physiological data, such as heart rate and galvanic skin response. So we get this data, we have an app that estimates your emotional state.
Oops,
sorry.
Yeah. And what's that showing there?
So basically here you can see some signal that describe your engagement and my stress, basically. So it goes up when I'm too much stressed. This is a model of emotion that is estimated from the data that we gather from this device, basically.
That's incredible. And did you build that device yourself?
Yeah. We built this device.
What's the name of it? Do you have a startup associated with this, or is this a total hack project?
It's an Empatica, and we are a startup that has been founded in 2011.
Fantastic. Thanks very much. And now, Max, shall us see something else?
Something pretty good, guys. They've actually, hacked a router Wi-Fi, and they let people connecting through Facebook, which is pretty cool, They actually call it a company of women. So what they do, it's a kind of fun, fun.com. But they do, you can create an hotspot in your house, and people can connect to Facebook. Actually, those are the founders. And this is actually the router they have actually built, Which is
Okay.
pretty simple.
So this is called Wiman.
Yeah, it's
Wyman.
yeah, it's a social Wi-Fi network.
Social Wi-Fi. It's a little bit like Fon, is it?
Yeah, it's like font, but the difference is that when people connect, actually, when they create the hotspot, they can easily connect to the mobile, to Facebook, and they share the open graph stuff with the, the owner of the place. So
Oh, I see. Right. So you get sort of a trust network going.
exactly, that's
Fantastic.
pretty cool. They're actually hacking with NFSC to let people, connect to the Wi-Fi just, by tagging to NFSC.
Fantastic. And well, that's from the hackathon here at TechCrunch Italy. Thanks very much, then, Max.
Thank you very much, Mike. Bye.
Mike Butcher here with TechCrunch, and we said we'd do a TechCrunch Italy, but we actually done it in a Shakespearean Globe Theatre, which is a reproduction here in the centre of Rome. Pretty amazing venue, and we've had speakers all day and startup pitches. So now we're going to go and talk to some of the companies who are exhibiting out here in the demo area here. And first up here is going to be Respiramio. Who's Respiramio? Where are these guys? Is anybody here? Anybody here from Respiramio? And so tell us what this is. Come out here. Yeah. Get your lunch down.
This is Respiramio Super. It's like super savings. We actually compare grocery store prices. We help consumers save time and money, and we help retailers and brands check competitor prices and shoppers' behaviors.
I see. So it's a real sort of comparison shopping engine.
Yes. So how it works, you just get localized, you put things in your shopping list, and by the end we tell you which is the cheapest store in your neighborhood. And you can also check if like an offer, a promo is really convenient or not. And you can compare online electronics with in-store prices for electronics.
Fantastic. Thanks very much. Next up, we're going to have Metwit. Well, where's the Metwit guys? Are we here? Are you going to talk to us? Who's Metwit? Where's Metwit? Here's Metwit. Okay, here's Metwit. I like your logo. Now tell us what it is.
Well,
This interesting stuff down here. What is it?
sorry. It's a crowdsourced weather application. It's a new weather.
Crowdsourced weather application.
Yeah. So we have this application. It's for iOS. It's available, and basically, we're people can tag the weather in the location. So we have a hyperlocal real-time weather from people, and plus we mine also data from Instagram and Twitter, all related to weather. So
Mining data from Instagram and Twitter. Incredible. And so it's available in the App Store right now.
it's available in the App Store right now, and we're building. It's the first app in the world that is a weather alert system for bad weather, actually. So if it's bad weather around you, you get a push notification saying that, hey, Bob is saying that it's raining 10 kilometers from here.
Very interesting. This could actually beat some of the official providers. So it's MeTwit or Metwit. Marvellous. Thanks very much. Okay, over here we've got URL list, your list. Now, who are you guys going to tell us all about it?
Okay, your list is the
I
quickest.
love your T-shirts. You've all got T-shirts. Well done. Good branding. Okay, tell us what it is.
Okay, we make lists of links, which is the quickest and easiest way to collect your web resources. Basically, you can collaborate on your web resources just saving in a list about a topic. So as you can see there, we have a list about social designers code. So we collected like a few posts about this theme, and you can comment and you can share this list and collaborate. Other people can add links, and then that's it. And we want to become a platform for content discovery, basically.
A platform for content discovery.
It's a tool, but it will become that.
So urli.st, URList. Marvellous. Excellent. Thanks very much, guys. Next up, we're going to go over here to Risto. Now, Risto, here's a guy in a chef's cap. Now, why are you wearing a chef's cap? What does this mean?
Because, well, it's the mascot, and we are a social network that provides a way for managers to recruit people in the field of restoration.
So I want a barman here, and so I say, right, I'm in a restaurant, I need a barman right now. Where am I going to get one? What happens next?
Well, you search on the website or on the mobile application for the barman, and you find instantly the barman available around you to work for tonight or whenever you need it.
Fantastic, thanks very much. And is it mobile available on iOS or Android yet?
We are developing on mobile for Android and iOS, and will be released in November.
Thanks very much, Risto. Okay, we're going to push through the crowd here, pushing through, and eventually we're going to get over here to Cortilia. Cortilia. Now, who's going to tell us about Cortilia? You are. No, you are.
I'm here.
What is it?
Cortilia is marketplace for.
Come over here. Here we go. Come over here. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cortilia is a marketplace for buy directly to the farmer food, fresh food like fruit, apple, vegetables, and more else. Yes, like that. Yeah.
And
organic vegetables.
organic. So you create a direct connection between the farmers and the consumers.
Yeah, this directly, and we do directly the delivery of the food directly to.
You do the delivery as well.
Yeah. From farmer to fork to the table directly.
Amazing. And how old are you guys? When did you launch?
We have launched in 2011, and after 1 year, I'm here with 3,000 of subscribers.
3,000 subscribers already after less than a year. And when are you going to have? Do you have any competition in the market right now?
Competition market right now. I don't understand the question.
No, you don't have a competitor.
Yeah, but not the same because we are a marketplace. There are a lot of competitors like a retailer.
You've got competitors and retailers, but you're a marketplace.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thanks very much, Cortilia. Okay, last one here in this session. We're going to talk to ChatMe. So ChatMe, tell us what's ChatMe.
ChatMe is an iPhone app.
Show it to us.
Yeah. That allows you to find people nearby, people you don't know, and to take a look at their pic. Yeah. You can publish pics, filter them as.
What do I want? Why would I want to do this?
Yeah, to find new people nearby. You can choose men or women, find new friends, and start chatting.
Just start chatting. It's a kind of a location-based social network.
Yeah, of course.
Great. And when did you launch?
Yesterday.
You launched yesterday. ChatMe launched yesterday. Fantastic. So early days for you guys. Thanks very much. Okay, we're going to come back right in a moment with some more. Mike Butcher here with TechCrunch, and we're here in Rome. We're going to go and talk to some startups here demoing outside our meetup. And here we have, no, you guys say it.
Yeah, it's Misiedo. It's a reservation system to book the table at the restaurant just with one click from your mobile, from your site.
So it's like an open table or something?
Yeah, exactly. It's like an open table system for Italy, and we started 5 months ago. We are growing up very, very fast. Hope to do the same at the open table, no?
And did you get seed funding for this?
Yeah, we received an investor funding like 2 months ago, and so we can grow up now.
Good luck, guys. Okay, let's go and see who else is here. Hey, right. Okay, now next up, excuse me, everybody. We're going to be going to see everybody. Let's see, Be My Eye. So Be My Eye. Where's Be My Eye? You guys. Where's the Be My Eye person? Is he over here? Oh, let's hear it. Bring him over here. So tell me, what's Be My Eye? Gianna.
Hi. My name is Gianluca. I'm the founder of Be My Eye. What we do is store checks in crowdsourcing.
Right,
actually, we pay people for making. We pay people for going into stores and tell if a promotional display or product is available into the store. Yeah. So our customers are the big companies that they have the product sold in supermarkets, but also companies that apply billboards displays, and then they need to know if the billboard is there. So what we do is we provide visual information from.
So you confirm that the billboard is actually in store?
Yes, you confirm that. So the company pays for having this check done, and the guy who has our app, he gets paid for that.
That's perfect. So I get paid for taking the picture, and the person who's paying pays you.
So we actually match the company needing the information from the territory, from a certain location, and those who are there already and are available to doing the store check.
Perfect mobile location, use of mobile location. Thanks very much, Be My Eye, Gian. Thank you very much. Now, we're going to over here. Pick one.
Yes.
No, now, Paolo, tell me about Pick One. Let's see what it's all about. This is a great display, by the way.
Yes. So we do retargeting using automated market research. What does it mean? We help brands to know exactly who the user are. They answer to the question, we extract the social graph from the users, and we give back to the brand together with the vote. By doing that, they can retarget the user via email and Google banners, and by providing them customized information, customized offers. Right now, we're already working with a client as American Express, IKEA, Toyota, Pirelli, in Italy, UK, Spain, US, and Chile. This is our clients now.
Wow, so you're scaling globally. Are you guys going to stay in, where are you based right now?
We are Milano, San Francisco, Santiago. 15 people, $1 million funding just raised 2 weeks ago. And right now we're looking for $5 million to scale to hire 40.
Who did you raise from?
It's a Chile Global Angel, Inversor, and small funds in Italy and the UK.
Very interesting, going global straight out of Italy. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Paolo.
Mike, take care.
Okay, over here we've got Tourisme. What's Tourisme then?
Tourisme is the Airbnb for tourism. It's a platform where we make contact between tourists and tourisers. A touriser is a people.
I become a tour guide on Tourize.
Yeah, okay. You own a very deep knowledge of something that may be interested by tourists. So you are a student in architecture.
Sounds a little bit like Gidzi.
Yeah, something like that, but very specific for the tourism. People can have an extra income because they know something very specific, and the tourist can live a very unique experience around the city that the normal guy can give them. Yeah.
Very good. Tourize.me.
Yeah,
Thanks very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, over here we're going to talk to, what's this called? Vriba? What? Tell us all about it.
Uribu is a web platform and also mobile now, where citizens can report problems in their cities, and institution governments and large companies can actually answer or take care of these problems.
So you see something in the street, like something's wrong with the street. There's a big hole in the street, and someone reports it, and then you connect government and local people.
Exactly. You can take a picture of it with your smartphone, and then you can report it on the site, and institution or who has to take care of that problem can actually see it, find out where it is, because there's a Google Maps API.
And when did you guys launch?
We launched in February, and we launched last night with the mobile part.
Fantastic. You've got a young team here, both of you. What's it like being a young founder in Italy?
It's a hard task in Italy, because in the US it's so much easier to actually launch startups, but we're doing our best and we hope it'll work out.
Girls, you guys are going to go far. You're here in Italy. Let's make it happen. Thank you very much. Right, we've got time for squeeze a couple more in before my cameraman catches me up. We'll go and see these guys over here. And here we are. We've got Dropis. So, Leonardo, tell us about Dropis.
Okay, so Dropis, it's an alternative currency for the economy, the collaborative consumption economy. So all the marketplace that make peer-to-peer exchange, like car sharing, like Airbnb, any kind of this marketplace can stop using the mainstream currency and start to use the collaborative consumption currency.
And you're actually going to be the bank, are you, for this collaborative consumption?
Yes, we are the central bank of this collaborative consumption currency.
And what's it based on? A kind of a barter system?
Yes, you cannot buy Dropis. You can only earn Dropis sharing in one of the platforms we are partnered with.
I see. So you get Dropis points, as it were, by sharing with some of the partners.
Exactly. Just sharing in one of the partner we work with, you earn Dropis, and you can spend those Dropis only inside this network.
Great. Thanks very much. Okay, we're going to come right back with some more in a moment. Well, Mike Butcher here, and we're going to go and see some more startups here at our TechCrunch Italy meetup. And here we have DryFarm. What is this?
DryFarm is a file server for enterprise corporate, and it is a service for file manager in the cloud.
And it's aimed at SMEs.
Yes, it is help the corporate to store his information with a high level of security, because there is an organization with a IT manager and a corporate user with a policy.
And who are you competing against? Someone like Box?
Box is a principal competitor, and we have a principal difference of Box because we have a monitoring services that help the administrator to see what the user do with the file.
Excellent, thanks very much, Drive Farm. And over here, we've got Tenaza. Tenaza, hello. Tell us what Tenaza is very quickly.
Hi. Okay, so basically, this is an access point. You connect to this device to use the internet. And this is another access point, a different brand. So as there are many brands in the consumer market of the access points, usually a small business has many devices, and each one of these devices has a different way to configure it. So you get crazy because you have to configure this, configure that other one. And all of them are different. So we developed a software as a service that connects over these devices, so you can configure all of them in a centralized way and remotely.
And who do you compete against right now?
Basically, there is just one competitor, which is called Cloud Command, and they are based in California, in Silicon Valley.
Thanks very much, Tenaza. Excellent. So, Cloud Weavers. Who's from Cloud Weavers? Yeah. Tell us what it is.
CloudWeaver is a turnkey solution for creating your private cloud in 60 seconds. You boot from a USB key, and the system creates from the hardware that you have. You don't have to need specialized servers or whatever. With the PC that you have, with notebooks, whatever, any kind of device.
Doesn't this exist already by somebody else?
Not as like this.
Not as fast as it?
Not as fast, and especially not running everywhere.
Right, Cloud Weavers, super fast, private cloud. Okay, thank you. Next up is, we've got you guys. What are you doing? What's your thing? This chap here. Oh, he's on a phone call. We'll come back to you. Oh, he's on a phone call. No, what is it? What are you doing?
We are a platform as a service player. We have a web-based platform.
What's it called?
The name. It's live-based. The company is Foster.com, and the name of the platform is live-based.
Right, and it's so. Tell us how old are you?
Well, I'm 47. I think I'm one of the older guys here.
You're 47. How old is the company?
The company is 2 years old, and the rest of the guys are 27, 28, 30.
You don't look it. You're doing great. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Okay, these guys are empty, so we'll go over here to. You guys, Tao, what are you doing?
We're doing ultimoprezzo.com. It's latestprice.com, the meaning, and we offer only the very best deals from retailers and online shops, and we just find only the better deals. We have an application allowing you to barcode scan the product when you're going to shop and to find out what are the real good deals, if that price you're seeing is the good one or not.
And you're just in Italy right now?
We're just in Italy. We're trying to expand to Spain, and we currently are doing 1 million visits per month, which is very good, and we're trying to expand to first Spain, then France, then Germany, and that's pretty much the European scene we want to get.
Thanks very much. Thank you. Okay. Next up. We'll have Stylula.
Yes, Stylula. Yeah. It's a Foursquare on steroids for fashion. You can share your passion over the social networks. You can check in the shop. You can take pictures of products in the shops, then share it on your social network, get points for this, and be declared the coolest among your friends or the coolest in the city.
I see. So it's a mobile app on iOS right now.
Yes, exactly.
And when did you launch?
We launched 1 week ago, and of course every day we have a new version.
Brand new. Italy is really hot now. You guys are launching stuff all the time now. Thank you especially in fashion. Thank you very much. So next up we have AppDuit
and Viewer Plus.
AppDuit and Viewer Plus. So first up is AppDuit.
AppDuit is a self-made application. You can create your app very easy, very fast, with a few bucks. And Viewer Plus, it's a PDF reader that allows you to transform the traditional media without any problem with our service.
Adobe does this thing with PDF. Why are you guys better?
Because we're better because we don't let the editor to transform anything in the process. We adapt to the process so the editor continue doing his job, doing magazine.
Okay, thanks very much, guys. So next up, we're going to go over here to Corolla. So who's going to explain this?
Just one moment, please. Corolla is a solution that has been designed with just one target, helping people when they meet other people. Be it is a meeting which happens unexpectedly on the street, that happens in an office or happens in a fair like this. The idea is that we want to make sure that everyone has the chance to remember the 2 most important things that happen.
So what do I do? Take a picture of your face or something? Or
Yeah.
how does it work?
No, you actually take a picture of a QR code actually, which has been prepared by the company, by the exhibitor. In this QR code, there is contained within it both the proposition of the company in terms of brochure, flyers and the like, the contact card of the people which are exposing, so the visitor can make just a snapshot of the QR code. It brings down everything the exhibitor has prepared for the visitors, and it leaves the business card to them.
There you go, and you get all the information you need about the exhibitor. Thanks very much. Right, we're going to come back in a moment with just some more. As you can see, I'm not very much of a footballer, but anyway, here we are at TechCrunch Italy meetup, and we've got Fubles. Now, Fubles, Giuseppe, tell us what Fubles is.
Hello everyone. Fubles is a social network for soccer players. So you sign up for free in our website, fubles.com, and you see a list of matches in your area. You select the right for you and go for the game.
So you find a good soccer game you want to play in?
Yes.
Awesome. Thanks very much, then, Giuseppe. Awesome. So over here now we've got. What are we going to see this? Let's see something magic.
Okay, here is our magic technology. This is batteryless and wireless. It's home automation on the web. And so, for example, this is your air conditioner. You're going out. Yeah. I close the door, and the air conditioner goes off.
Ah, right. So it's connected.
Yeah, it's connected by wireless, and it's batteryless.
So when you leave, the air conditioner goes off.
Yeah.
And then you save energy.
All right.
Why is it batteryless?
Is it batteryless because it's based on energy harvesting? For example, we have a solar sensors, and this is based on kinetic energy.
So the kinetic energy plus a solar sensor operates the switch.
Exactly. I mean, we switch the operating the switch through the web interface, as you can see. So on the web, you can define your house, your rules,
and you can access your house via the web.
All right. Yeah.
And it's called Echologic.
Yeah, by OpenPicos.
Awesome. Thank you very much, guys. That sounds really cool. Okay, over here is Mangatara. What is this then, sir?
Oh, it's a card game set in the universe of the Japanese comics, the manga. So you can create your character in a very detailed way. And yeah, it's like this one. And you can play with other users.
Is this aimed at adults or kids?
Oh, not very. It's same because a lot of adults that has grown with manga.
Anybody can play Mangatara. Yes, okay. Thanks very much. Okay, next up is Atoma. Now, Atoma pitched on the stage very well, I might add. Now, just tell us briefly what it is again.
Atoma is an app to create is a mobile toolkit to create your own mini contextual app to make your smartphone smarter.
So now this seemed to me like if this then that for apps.
Yeah, if this then that for apps. It's a contextual mini app, and you can set up some conditional events that we define. Actually,
is it like lots of apps inside an app, like an app store inside the app store?
Yes, of course. It's an app inside the app store.
I think that's amazing. Atoma.
Yeah.
And where are you guys?
A touch of magic.
Are you guys? Do you guys actually have seed funding right now?
Yeah, we received seed funding in March 2012, last year, and now we are in fundraising for $1 million.
Awesome. And you're going to be working out of Milan or Rome or where?
Rome. We are based in Rome.
Right. But going out to the world.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Atoma. That's really cool. Right, we'll get these guys over here. These guys are called Vivoce. So briefly, can I ask what Vivoce is?
Hi, Vivoce is an Italian startup providing an online customer support platform. We help e-commerce site to sell more, better customer service.
Thank you very much. Perfect. Now over here we've got Nextstyler. Now these guys are all about fashion. Now who's going to explain this?
I'm not the founder. I work with Nextstyler, but I'm not the founder now.
That's all right, but you can explain what it is.
Yes, Nextstyler is a worldwide showcase where fashion designers create their sketches, and they are invited to upload them on our platform. Well, we have a fashion lover community, which is composed by our users that can vote the sketches uploaded by the designers, and then the best rated one will be produced on Nextstyler online shop.
And then the designers get to sell their clothes.
Yes, they have the clothes, and our brand is exclusively made in Italy. So we produce in Italy, and we want to create some collections, but not a collection made of too many clothes. We want to produce only a series of clothes that can assure exclusivity of our clothes.
Fantastic. Sounds perfect for Italy with this fantastic heritage in design and luxury fashion. So next over here is Turn Your Mood into Music. This is StereoMode. Sorry. Guys, tell us what it is. So I feel in a mood. I feel in the mood for love, and I want to play something on my stereo. What is it? Is that how it works?
If you are in a mood for love, in just one click, you can reach the perfect playlist for your state of mind through StereoMode. It's a music service that turns your mood into music, delivering curated playlists from independent artists.
How does that turn into a business? Are you serving advertising?
Yeah, we are selling mood-based and geolocalized advertising because we are monetizing our big user base, and this is a great property for brands. We have more than 1 million unique visitors per month all over the world, especially from US, Canada, Russia, and Brazil.
So you guys are scaling already in Russia, and I gather you guys have just relaunched.
Sorry?
You just relaunched.
Yeah.
You just did your redesign or something, right?
Yeah. 2 days ago, we launched a redesign with new feature, a new mood engine to search your mood, and a concert powered by Songkick and artist bio powered by Last.fm.
Thank you very much, StereoMode. Awesome, thank you. So up here we've got AppsBuilder. So Stefano, tell us what AppsBuilder is.
AppsBuilder is a mobile app device platform, mobile development.
Does it make it easier for me as a mobile app developer to create apps?
Yes, true, and has some interesting features like it's multi-platform. It uses native applications, so you pull out the content from your website and you drag it inside the platform, and then you can publish it natively on the apps.
How fast can I create an app out of on your platform?
I think about minutes.
Minutes? Yeah. Wow. AppsBuilder.com?
Yeah, AppsBuilder apps-builder.com.
apps-builder.com. Thanks very much, AppsBuilder. Right. Next up is Chupya. Who's going to explain this? Hello.
Hi, I'm Stefano. I'm the co-founder of ChupaMobile. ChupaMobile is a marketplace for mobile app components. Basically, mobile developers join ChupaMobile to sell and discover and purchase mobile app components that could be reused in their project. These help developers for the time to market the application and to don't waste money reinventing the wheel each time that they need to develop something.
What's in it for them? Why would they use this platform?
What?
Why would I use this?
Because you can, on one side, you can sell your component, your source code that you already developed for a previous project, and you can generate revenues from your old project that you already developed. On the other side, to develop something not from scratch, but from something that is pre-tested and already built that is working, and you can save up to 90% of the time and the money to develop what you are looking for.
Thank you very much. Brilliant. Excellent. Great pitch. Right. And that's it for now, and we're going to head over to another direction in just a moment. Hi, Mike Butcher here with TechCrunch, and we're just going to do a fast run through the remaining startups here at TechCrunch Italy meetup. And over here we've got Yupit. What is it?
Yes, Yupit is a deal aggregator that... sorry for my...
That's fine. Just tell me, man. It's a deal aggregator for what?
I speak in Italian.
You can't speak in Italian. You've got to do it in English.
Okay.
Yupit collects all the deals on the web from the major coupon site like Groupon, Let's Bonus, and others.
So like Groupon deal aggregator?
Yeah, Groupon.
Offers?
We in Italy have almost 30 coupon sites. We collect all the deals and present to the users like users' preferences and geolocalization.
Fantastic, thanks very much. Brilliant, that's all you have to do. Yupit, and there you go, you're done. In app, so this is Metafogo, no? What is, no, that's your last name. So this is Paperlit. What's this? In one sentence.
In one sentence, it's a digital publishing platform for small and medium-sized publishers. We also have a number of really large publishers like Condé Nast and Repubblica in Italy.
Awesome. Paperlit.com. Fantastic. Thank you very much. Now over here, Save the Mum. Family Matters. What's that?
Yeah, it's a Family Matters is a platform for families to communicate, so everyone in the family can say everyone else what is doing, what they need.
Collaborative calendar.
Yeah, we have a shopping list, we have a calendar, we have sharing photos and everything, but private, all related to the families.
SaveTheMum.com?
Yes, that's it.
You're getting some good chips there, man. Well done. Yeah. You're going to win the competition. Okay, Video OMG. What's that?
It's a video discovery network where you can find videos, web videos, and you can choose an experience based on your mood. So you have several channels, well identifiable.
A bit like StereoMode, but for video.
Yeah, sort of.
That's what I thought. Okay, right. We're going to run over here now and pick up the last companies. Here we got CryptoDrone. CryptoDrone. What's CryptoDrone?
Hi. CryptoDrone is a way to share confidential documents on the web on the tablet. We brought a software that automates all the encryption flow of a document, so you can share confidential data securely and easily on the web on your tablet.
These are very useful. I'm going to have a couple of these. Thanks very much. Take one of these for my stuff. CryptoDrone. Now secure your documents on the web. Now over here we've got this is CoContest. CoContest, what's that? Are you going to tell me what it is? He's running off. He can't tell us what it is. I'll tell you what it is. It's a CoContest Architecture for People, crowdsourcing web platform dedicated to the world of architecture. There you go. That's CoContest. It looks fantastic. Thank you very much. Okay, so Kurami over here. Kurami. What's Kurami?
We are talking about virtualization of queues. So we allowed people to save their times using a mobile phone to be in line even if they are in another place.
Right, so you save your time, it tells you when to come back to the queue.
Exactly.
Perfect, I'm going to get that. And it's on Android?
It's every platform, every single platform we have the app plus the web app.
Kurami, Kurami.com? Yeah. Like it, well, it's all about queues. Okay, Sport This, who's going to explain Sport This? Yeah, go, what is it?
I'm Matteo Versi, the CEO of Sporties.
What is it?
Sporties is a social mobile application to make forecasts on sport events. And
so is it like a betting game?
Yeah, but in Italy it's illegal to make betting, so it's
like a gaming.
Yeah, this is gamification of sport events.
And so what do I win if I game?
You get points for each right predictions and unlock badges when you reach some.
Unlock badges, like Foursquare for games.
Yeah. This is Foursquare for sport.
But location, it's the gamification of sports. Yeah. Awesome, sounds really cool. When did you guys start?
This morning, today.
You launched this morning? Yeah. Wow, it's a launch, an actual launch. Fantastic, thanks guys. Okay, over here we've got a UDeal. Who's going to explain UDeal?
Yeah, I can do it. Yeah, so UDeal is a personal shopper. We aggregate offers from many different sources, and then we package them in our site, and the idea is that we rank and list them in a way that on one end shows which are the best offers in general. And
what sort of offer? Groupon?
Yeah, we have lots of different deals. So Groupons, and it's one example. We have travel and wellness and food, so different categories. But the idea is that we want to be a personal shopper, right? So
you in Italy right now?
We are in Italy, in UK, Spain. We just opened Brazil.
Globalization. Thanks very much, UDeal. Excellent. And then Style for Real. Style for Real is going. You Style for Real? Tell us what Style for Real is.
Well, Style for Real is the world's first social wardrobe. What we mean by social wardrobe is, first of all, if you're a fashion lover, you probably have a lot of clothes. Your wardrobe is packed full of clothes, and sometimes you don't even remember what clothes you have in it.
I send my old clothes I don't need.
No, you just upload your wardrobe to keep it as a reference. But it's also social because actually you can browse not only yours but everyone else's wardrobe. You can sneak.
Can I borrow your wardrobe?
Well, at the moment, no. It's a possible future.
Buy new clothes?
Yeah, buy new clothes. You browse things. You say you want to take a look at things from someone else that you like. You can buy it, and you can search for where to buy it.
Last FM for wardrobes. Yeah. Awesome. Can scrabble the wardrobe.
Innovation is that we
to identify.
And they use barcodes to identify things. Very useful, actually. Could well use that. Okay, last up here, we've got over here with a new innovative 3D way. Could you tell us what it's about?
Yeah, hi. We are here with eSimple, and we are presenting you in 3D Gallery, which is an innovative way to show and share your images on the web. And the platform is, the application is cross-platform. We have a web version which you can embed into your pre-existing website or in Facebook. And we also have a mobile application that goes on the mobile device.
Who's going to use this?
Oh, well, everybody, I think, because photograph lovers mainly, and of course professional, because this is the perfect tool to present your images if you are a professional photographer. And the 3D environment is really cool, and so this is an innovative way to see pictures.
Thanks very much. There's eSimple with 3D photo gallery technology there. Thank you very much. Okay, now we're into the home straight, and we've got self-flops.
Yeah, self-loops. Hi.
Self-loops. What is it?
Yeah, it's a tracking and sensor platform for people that love fitness and they want to improve their performance.
And how does it work?
So basically, we have 3 different components that make an integrated service, and is made of an hardware accessory that enhance the smartphone capabilities using sensors like temperature, humidity, and barometric pressures. Then we have the smartphone application that collects and track all these metrics and data. And then we have the website where we stream all this data in real time, and we are able to transmit all this data in real time to our website.
What are you closest compared to in terms of a competition?
I think there are several competitions in this area, but what we differentiate us from the rest is basically the accessory that enhance the smartphone capability that nobody else has in this market for smartphone, like Android. And we have the telemetry service for Teams. And nobody else has this, so we can track this around for teams.
Because I've seen people do this on individuals, but I haven't seen doing this on teams basis. Self-loops, thanks very much, guys. That sounds pretty interesting. Okay, next up we've got Commercialista. Commercialista, you going to explain this to me?
Yeah.
What is it?
It is search engine, actually a geo-powered search engine to find accountants, labor and tax consultants. And of course it's based on local search and let users find easily an accountant and get answers as well.
Wow, now there you go. It's everything's going to niche right now. It's fantastic. Thank you very much. Find your accountant. MoneyFarm. Tell us about MoneyFarm.
Paolo, hi. So what we do, we try to help people to invest their money in an independent way. We think there's a big need for this kind of service today. It's difficult to find someone who's going to help you invest.
Banks aren't helping us much.
Not at all, not even in Italy. So find someone that is going to be independent, transparent, and helps you through a web approach to invest your money is going to be something very new and innovative. Financial industry is changing, even though it's one of the few remaining that has to change dramatically. And we are trying to do that, changing the approach of money. And
so MoneyFarm in one sentence?
MoneyFarm, the perfect platform to invest your money in an independent, simple way.
And is it crowdsourced?
Well, it's not. At the moment, part of we have been seeded by two venture capital funds. We are ready to go for the Series A, and we're ready to scale up the demand.
Very cool. Thanks very much, MoneyFarm. Right. And then over here we've got Espresso. Very cool in Italy. And I feel like an espresso. What is it?
It's the perfect solution for advertiser and agency who want to manage their Facebook advertising. Facebook advertising is often underperforming. With our platform, you can split test everything. You can understand what's the best ad, what's the best target, is it male, female, young, old, etc. And
espresso beans?
Yeah, we add flavor to your Facebook advertising.
Flavor to your Facebook advertising. Well, there you go. That's a run through some of the companies here demoing at TechCrunch Italy. My name is Mike Butcher. Goodbye.